All right. This is a response to the sprinkler lady. I'm starting to believe her a little bit. What you're seeing here is the water is actually going down. And I don't know if you're American or Afghani, French, I don't care, but 20 years ago, the water would have been going up. This is bullcrap. We need to send petitions to our government. We need to find out what they are putting in our water. Is this anti-gravity stuff? I don't know. This has to be something from Roswell. 20 years ago, this stuff wouldn't happen. This is going to affect our children's health, the youth, cats, helicopters. We are endangering our future. We have to fight together.